This is the second generation AirPod Pro, which I just recently purchased for my trip to Japan. And unsurprisingly, I ended up dropping them quite a few times, which resulted in a lot of scratches being on my AirPods. Well, that's until I came home and I got my package from Andar. This is not a sponsored video. Andar kindly gave me their products so that I could tell you guys my thoughts and opinions on their products, and that's exactly what I intend to do. I was sent both their Capsule, which is the case for the AirPods, and also their Aspen for the iPhone. They're both made with leather, and besides my love for leather, I'm going to tell you why I think that these are actually pretty good cases. I've been using these cases for a couple of weeks, and I really can't begin to describe Andar's cases without using the word quality. These quality cases are made from premium full grain leather. I have a vegan leather laptop case, and honestly, you can really tell the difference between this real leather and this vegan leather. The real leather to the touch feels so soft, and when you touch the vegan leather, it doesn't feel quite right. It's a lot more plasticky and not as nice to hold. Out of the box, the Andar cases do feel a little bit smooth, but since they are real leather, you are going to probably get that wear where it will feel a lot less smooth and more comfortable to hold in your hands. Unlike the vegan leather option, it won't really get any softer than how it is already. There are two things though that I don't love about leather cases. One being the fact that leather cases can get so easily damaged. For example, I've been using the Andar case for the iPhone for a couple weeks, and I've already noticed a few scratches on it. This is just something that is typical with leather. For example, the vegan leather option, since it's not real leather, when you kind of scratch it or try to make a dent in it or something, it will just sort of bounce back to how it originally is. My second reason for not really loving leather is the fact that it does use animals to make, which is why I have had vegan options in the past. So if real leather isn't for you, Andar actually has vegan options for their products, so you can still check these out. But anyways, let's talk about the Capsule. Honestly, you can't go wrong with such a minimalistic design, which I love. I love the modern look with the leather combined. It gives a very nice touch. I have the case for the AirPod Pro second generation, which you can tell because they actually have the cutouts for the case, which is the speakers and the lanyard holder. I'm actually really happy that Andar has these cutouts because I know a few cases that I have for my second generation Pros, or at least that are marketed for the second generation Pros, don't have these cutouts. So it's nice that I can still use the case in conjunction with the Find My iPhone sounds or the lanyard holder. When putting this case on your AirPods, the Capsule has an adhesive that is at the very top of the case to keep the lid covers tightly secured. Personally, I opted not to use this feature because I like to switch my cases out often, but be warned that if you don't, the top part may fall off sometimes. The bottom part, on the other hand, is quite snug and is kind of difficult to take off afterwards, which is a good thing and a bad thing because if you do want to swap out your AirPod cases, you won't really be able to easily, but it's still possible to get it off. But it's nice that it's very tightly secured to the AirPod case and it won't fall off without adding that extra adhesive. I also like how thin this case is. It's really nice to be able to wirelessly charge my AirPods without having to take off the case. In my past experience, in order to charge my AirPods, I would have to take the case off and then remember to put it back on afterwards. I chose the jet black color for the Capsule case, but the Andar website has a large variety of colors to choose from. There's camel tan, jet black, brown, navy blue, and sand, to name a few. To see them all, click the link in the bio or visit the Andar website. And don't forget to use code RJGrub for 15% off of your order. I, of course, had to pair my jet black case with a jet black iPhone case as well. I usually am the type of person to rock clear cases to show off the color of my iPhone. But honestly, I don't really love using clear cases because they always end up yellowing and I have to throw them out. I usually just buy any random case on Amazon, but let me show you why I won't be doing that anymore. Again, I am going back to that word quality. These cases are not made cheaply and come equipped with all the features that allow your iPhone to function like an iPhone while still looking very nice in a protective shell. When you take a look at the inside of the case, you can see the microfiber lining of the case. That gives your phone a nice, comfortable place to lay and protect it from any damage. Inside, you'll also be able to see a round circle. That's the magnet that allows the case to be MagSafe compatible. This, of course, isn't new in cases, but it's really nice that a leather case of this quality has one. One thing I dislike about MagSafe cases is the fact that you can see the circle on the case, but if you flip the Aspen over, you'll notice that you can't actually see the circle of the magnet. When you put the case on, I like how snug it fits on the iPhone. Unlike a plastic or silicone case, every inch of this case's frame is very sturdy, so you can tell that Andar didn't cheaply put together this phone case. Not only that, but the minimalist look of this case's exterior pairs very nicely with the iPhone, especially my black iPhone. But if your phone is a different color, there are many other color options that Andar carries for the Aspen. Together with the Capsule, the Aspen in jet black pairs very nice. When I'm out, I love to show off this dynamic duo, and I'm looking very soon to make this a trio. Andar's The Helm laptop case will complete the full set, and of course, using my code RJGrub, I'll be able to get extra 15% off. Orders over $75 will automatically qualify for free shipping, and to top it all off, you'll have a 90-day return and free exchange policy to make sure that you really love your case. Thank you again, Andar, for allowing me to try your products out. And for my viewers watching, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and check out some of my other videos as well. See you next time.